Oh my gosh, my heart literally just dropped. I heard like, it sounded like someone was pushing a button like on my radio out there, but it's my freaking oven heating up. I just forgot that I turned it on. Oh my gosh, this scared me so bad. What's up guys? My name is Christina. Let's start that again. What's up guys? My name is... No, welcome to my channel, bitch. Hey girls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today's video is going to be a short one, but a good one. I'm going to show you how I do my makeup on bad skincare days. I know it doesn't look like I'm having a bad skincare day, but I am, really. I've been picking at my face today and my skin is just like not feeling it. It was like really dry today and just like super annoying. Bitch. But don't click away yet if you're like super perfect and never have bad skincare days. This is also a makeup look that I would do when I don't have time to do my makeup, which I feel like that happens to literally almost everybody. There's just some days you don't have like a full-on 2-3 hours to do your makeup, especially if something last minute comes up. If you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. I have no makeup on right now. I just have my eyebrows done because I already made a video on my eyebrows. If you haven't seen it, I'll link that down below. That way you guys can go watch that. So for today's look, we're not going to be doing any shadow. I really just want this to be focused on the face. Today is my brother's birthday. I'm just going over to my mom's, so I obviously don't need to be, you know, like full glammed out eyelashes and everything. So no lashes today, just super simple glam. So I do already have some Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum on my face. I'm going to go in with some moisturizer just because my face has been a little bit dry lately. And the moisturizer that I'm using, I'm like running out. It's basically gone. It's the Korres, however you want to pronounce it. But next, I'm going to grab some concealer. And I'm just going to quickly dab this on the areas where I feel like I need it the most. So I'm going to do some right here, of course, because... Oh, actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. Tartar sauce, so I always do this. I don't know what has been up with me, but I've been forgetting primer. I'm going to use the Benefit Professional just around... Ooh, it's kind of a lot. I'm going to take this like just around the areas where I need it, which is definitely around my nose. Like this area here. I always like to push this in. That way I'm pushing it into my pores and they get nice and filled. And when I put makeup over top... Oh, I'm batting this out. And when I put makeup over top, it just goes over nice and smooth and you won't be able to see those pores. This side of my face is doing alright, so... And then I'm going to do underneath of my eye. And then I'm taking an e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm just going to... And I'm just going to blend that concealer out with that brush. I'm using a brush instead of a sponge or a beauty blender because I want the coverage to be pretty full coverage. I don't want the beauty blender to take away any of the product. Go ahead and do this before it dries. This side of my face is just like red and irritated because I've been picking at it. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely don't like to wear as much makeup when my skin is like, you know, not doing so good, or when it's like I wake up with breakouts and stuff, just because I'm like scared to make them worse, or honestly I just don't really be in the mood to wear a lot of makeup. Only reason that I'm putting on makeup is because I know that my mom is going to be taking pictures. And I don't want to be looking like just dead ass in the corner. Just blend that on the sides of my nose. Before I go in with foundation, I'm going to just take this little highlighter stick I cannot say that name. My sister gave me this from her Ipsy bag, like probably years ago. Not years ago, maybe like a year ago. I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna use my finger to blend this out. Kind of bringing the highlighter up onto the brow bone. The goal for our skin today is just dewy, fresh looking skin. My skin feels not dewy and fresh looking, so at least if it can look nice, even though it doesn't feel so nice, that would be totally fine with me. Since I don't want to irritate my skin anymore, today I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation instead of my Maybelline one. It's not that that one irritates my face, but I just don't want it to, you know? I don't know. I'm just more comfortable using this one on my face when I've been like breaking out or my skin's not doing so well. Then so I just have some more dewy, glowy skin. I'm going to add the Unicorn Essence. I'm running out. These were only samples. Ooh, I hope I didn't get that on my clothes. And with my Morphe Y7 brush, I'm just going to bounce that all into my face. And I feel like I just always have to cream contour, so I'm going to go in with my Anastasia foundation. This is in the shade Amber. I'm going to just do a little bit on the cheeks, on my forehead, and then I'm going to snatch this nose. Oops. Oh, that was way too far back. Oops. That's okay, we'll fix it. And then this is a Real Techniques brush that I'm using to blend this out. Would you guys want me to make a video on how I contour? I feel like I've gotten asked that, but honestly, like I kind of show that in my makeup routine already, but I wouldn't mind doing a video that's just designated to only contouring. Take that down a little bit. Okay, so now what I'm going to do before I put powder on my face, I'm going to add some faux freckles. You can use any brown eyeshadow that you want for this, or you can even use an eyebrow pencil. I'm going to be using both just because I want the like variation of different freckles. So I'm going to go in with my 39A palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take that brown shade right there. I did spray some Mario Badescu setting spray there just to kind of wet it a little bit. That way it's easier to pick up on a brush. And I'm using a Morphe S8. It's an eyeliner brush, so it's just nice and small. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to start putting these all over my face. Oh, that was a big freckle. And then what I'm going to do, so they're not so like obvious that I just put dots all over my face, I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to pat over top of them. If you did them way too dark, you can even take like a little bit more concealer and put that over top and then just blend it out. Up close, they're so cute. At least this side is so cute. So cute. But now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And I'm going to be using this setting powder today. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm literally so excited about this. This is Beauty Bakery Cosmetics. And honestly, this stuff is like, I almost don't like it because it leaves me so dry. But I love it because like it does not leave me oily, or I don't get oily when I'm wearing this. For me, that's like amazing. I know some people, they like to be, you know, dewy, but girl, I'm dewy all the time, so I'm not looking for that in a setting powder. I'm looking for something that's going to keep me nice and matte. And if you are also looking for something like that, you will love this if you haven't tried it already. Like, I absolutely love it. Love it. The only thing though is I don't love it for all of my face because not all of my face is super dry. I mean oily. I wish I was super dry instead of being oily. Setting my lids with this too. For the rest of my face, I'm actually just going to use my Ben Nye banana powder. So I'm pretty much just putting this where I would usually cut my cheeks a little. While that's baking, I'm going to do some bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. We're going to dust this powder off. Today I'm actually going to be using the Mario Badescu setting spray. After using the Morphe setting spray a few times, honestly, like, I feel like it's overhyped. I don't like it at all. Like, it's alright, I guess, but I just feel like when I put on setting spray, I like it to wet my face. And like that one, I literally have to spray my face for like a good on full minute for me to feel that like hydrating sensation, you know? And especially like with the Beauty Bakery setting powder, I need something that's like really gonna, you know, hydrate me and like drench my face. So that setting spray just does not do it for me. I don't know. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Oh, actually, before I do that, let me dip into the Dream Sequence palette because these are like literally to die for. I'm going to go in with Guilty Pleasure. Wow, they are so loud. Oh my god, they're so loud. Like, can you just go in? I miss my old neighbors. I'm going to put a little bit on my lids because, like I said, I just want that to look really just highlighted. To blend that highlight out some before I add more highlighter, I'm going to go in with my, oh, not even sure that I showed you, but I'm going with the Milani Baked Blush. This is in the shade Luminoso. And I got them freckles, so I want to look really like flushed pink too. Even gonna add it like over top of my freckles. I got on too much blush. So I could really be like, this was intentional, honey. I just want that like little girl cute button freckle look. Then I will spray my face again. This is also perfect too for bad skin days because if you're having a pimple show through when you put on makeup, you can just put a freckle over it or a mole beauty mark. Call it a day, girl. No one will even notice. So the last thing that there is to do is just take some brown mascara and just give my top lashes a coat. I don't want to do the bottom today. And this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is like my favorite mascara. I don't think I ever show which mascara that I use, but I love this one because it's just nice and small. I don't like mascaras that have like the huge brush. Alright girls, so that is how I do my makeup on bad skin days, or days when I don't have time to do my makeup, or days when I don't want to wear a lot of makeup but I don't want to look like dead ass. I appreciate every single one of you that watches my videos. Literally, I can never express how much I just appreciate you. I love you all. Thank you so much. I hope you guys finish off the week strong, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. Mwah.